Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by setting tempo between 140 and 150 BPM for aggressive energy. Choose a punchy kick sound and a crisp snare with a hard transient. Program hi-hats using 1/16 notes and add rapid rolls every 2 bars for groove. Use triplet snare fills and occasional ghost snares to create motion. Layer an 808 sub and tune it to your song key so it stays in pitch. Add saturation or compose melodies in a dark minor scale and keep chords sparse for space. Create a lead patch with detune, slight chorus, and a sharp low-pass filter for bite. Layer a sub pad underneath and keep it low to avoid clashing with the 808. Automate the low-pass cutoff to open during chorus sections for dynamic change. Add plate reverb and short delay on select notes for atmosphere without washing the mix. Structure the track with 8 or 16-bar verses and drops to build contrast. Bring instruments in and out to emphasize the drop and keep listener interest. Use sidechain compression on pads and non-bass elements so the kick punches through the mix. EQ the 808 and kick separately and carve small cuts to avoid frequency clash. Glue the mix with gentle bus compression and aim for around -6 dB LUFS peak before mastering and export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.